Tomato sauce is a kitchen superstar. It's one of those ingredients that seems simple, but it has the power to transform any meal. Whether you're making a quick snack or a gourmet dinner, tomato sauce is often the secret behind that mouth-watering flavor. It goes on pizza, pasta, and even in soups. You'll find it in lasagna, stews, casseroles, and so many other dishes. Its versatility is truly unmatched, making it a staple in kitchens all over the world. People around the world love its rich flavor and bright color. Tomato sauce brings families together at the dinner table, creating memories over shared meals. Its tangy, slightly sweet taste and vibrant hue make every dish more inviting and delicious. But have you ever wondered how this tasty sauce is made in big factories? The process is much more complex and fascinating than you might think, involving a blend of tradition, innovation, and science. The journey from farm to factory is fascinating. It all starts with the humble tomato, grown under the sun and carefully nurtured by farmers who know just how important each fruit is. Millions of tomatoes are grown, picked, processed, and turned into sauce every day. These tomatoes travel from vast fields to bustling factories where their transformation begins. Machines, technology, and hardworking people all play a part. From sorting and washing to peeling and cooking, every step is carefully managed to ensure the best quality. With a little science and a lot of care, factories create the tomato sauce we enjoy. Quality control experts test each batch, making sure the sauce is safe, tasty, and consistent every time. Tomato sauce is more than just a topping. It's a key ingredient that adds depth, moisture, and flavor to countless recipes, turning ordinary meals into something extraordinary. It brings dishes together and makes meals special. Whether you're sharing a homemade pizza with friends or enjoying a comforting bowl of pasta, tomato sauce is at the heart of the experience. Its story begins in fields where each tomato starts as a tiny seed. Farmers carefully plant and tend to these seeds, knowing that one day they'll become the main ingredient in someone's favorite meal. Let's follow the path of the tomato, from sunny farms to the shelves of your favorite store. Along the way, we'll discover the dedication, technology, and passion that go into every bottle. You'll see how modern technology helps make every bottle of tomato sauce delicious and safe. From the first sprout to the final seal, it's a journey filled with care, innovation, and a touch of magic. Did you know that tomatoes, those juicy red treats we love in salads and sauces, are actually fruits? It might surprise you, but botanically, tomatoes belong to the same family as apples and oranges. Even though we often use them as vegetables in cooking, they're classified as fruits because they develop from the flower of the tomato plant and contain seeds inside. Every tomato you see starts its journey as a tiny seed, just like apples or oranges do. These seeds are small, oval, and packed with the potential to grow into a whole new plant. Farmers carefully select the best seeds to ensure healthy, productive plants. On large commercial farms, workers begin by planting these seeds in special trays filled with soft, nutrient-rich soil. This gives the seeds the perfect environment to start growing. Each seed is gently pressed into the soil, making sure it has enough space and moisture to sprout. These trays are then placed inside warm, bright greenhouses. The controlled environment of a greenhouse protects the seeds from harsh weather and pests, while providing plenty of sunlight and warmth. This helps the seeds germinate quickly and evenly. In just a few days, the seeds begin to sprout. Tiny green shoots push up through the soil, reaching for the light. Over the next couple of weeks, these sprouts grow into small plants called seedlings. Each seedling is a young tomato plant full of promise. After a few weeks of careful tending, the seedlings are strong enough to move outdoors. Farmers carry trays of these young plants out to the fields, ready for the next stage of their journey. On modern farms, special machines, called transplanters, are used to make this process faster and more efficient. These machines can plant thousands of seedlings in a single day, saving time and effort. The transplanter carefully places each young tomato plant into the soil, arranging them in neat, straight rows. This organized planting makes it easier for farmers to care for the plants as they grow. Planting in rows ensures that every tomato plant gets enough sunlight, fresh air, and space to stretch its roots. This helps the plants grow strong, healthy, and ready to produce lots of delicious tomatoes. Once the seedlings are in the ground, farmers work hard to give them everything they need. They water the plants regularly and add nutrients to the soil, making sure the young tomatoes have the best possible start. Many farms use drip irrigation hoses, which deliver water directly to the base of each plant. This system is efficient and helps conserve water, ensuring that every tomato plant gets just the right amount it needs to thrive. With careful watering, good soil, and plenty of sunshine, the young tomato plants grow quickly. Their leaves turn a deep green, and soon the field is filled with rows of healthy, thriving plants. Thanks to modern machines and careful farming practices, thousands, sometimes even millions of tomato plants can grow side by side in vast fields. Each plant is part of a much bigger story, working together to produce the tomatoes we all enjoy. This is just the first big step in the journey from seed to sauce. Soon these tomatoes will be harvested, processed, and turned into the delicious tomato sauce that ends up on tables all around the world. The journey of a tomato from seed to harvest is a fascinating process that takes patience and care. Tomatoes need about 3 to 4 months to grow and ripen, depending on the variety and the climate. During this period, the tiny seeds planted in the soil slowly transform into lush green plants, eventually producing clusters of small green fruits that gradually turn into the familiar red tomatoes we all know and love. Throughout these months, farmers are constantly present in their fields, walking row by row, keeping a close eye on every stage of the tomato's development. Their daily routines involve not just watching the plants grow, but also making sure each plant gets the right amount of sunlight, water, and nutrients. Farmers must be vigilant, checking the weather forecast to prepare for unexpected rain or heat waves. They protect the plants from pests and diseases, sometimes using natural predators or organic sprays. Regular soil testing ensures the earth remains rich in nutrients, and fertilizers are applied as needed to support healthy growth. In recent years, technology has become a vital part of tomato farming. Modern tools like soil moisture sensors, drones, and even satellite imagery help farmers monitor their crops more efficiently. These tools can detect when plants need more water, identify areas of the field that require extra care, and even predict potential problems before they become serious. As the tomatoes ripen, their color changes from green to a deep, vibrant red. This is the sign that they are ready to be picked. Harvesting at the right moment is crucial for flavor and quality. Timing is everything. If tomatoes are picked too early, they won't have developed their full sweetness and flavor. But if they're left on the vine too long, they can become overripe, soft, and may even spoil before they reach the market or processing plant. To get it just right, farmers use color charts and gently squeeze the fruit to test for ripeness. These simple but effective methods help ensure that only the best tomatoes are chosen for harvest. Tomatoes are grown in many countries around the world, from small family farms to vast commercial fields. The United States, China, and Italy are the world's largest producers, each with their own unique farming traditions and techniques. Every year, these countries produce millions of tons of tomatoes, much of which is destined for processing into sauces, pastes, and other products that end up on dinner tables everywhere. Once the tomatoes are perfectly ripe, the harvest begins in earnest. Workers carefully pick the fruit by hand or use machines to gather them quickly. The tomatoes are then loaded into large bins or onto conveyor belts, ready to be transported out of the fields. From here, the tomatoes make their way to factories, where advanced machines sort, wash, and prepare them for the next stage. This is where the real adventure begins, as the humble tomato is transformed into delicious sauces and products enjoyed around the world. Picking tomatoes by hand would take too long. That's why modern farms use harvesting machines. These big machines move through the fields, shaking the plants gently. Ripe tomatoes fall onto moving belts inside the machine. The machine sorts the tomatoes from the stems and leaves. Damaged or green, tomatoes are separated out. Only the best, red tomatoes continue on their journey. This helps save time and make sure only ripe tomatoes are used. Inside the machine, tomatoes are collected in big bins. These bins are loaded onto trucks. The trucks carry the tomatoes straight to the factory, sometimes in just a few hours. This quick process keeps the tomatoes fresh and full of flavor. Using machines to harvest millions of tomatoes each day is fast and efficient. It also means more tomato sauce can be made for everyone to enjoy. When tomatoes arrive at the factory, they are dirty from the fields. It's important to clean them very well before making sauce. Factories use water baths and long washing tunnels to start the process. Tomatoes float in streams of cool water, which helps remove dirt and bits of leaves. Next, the tomatoes go through a series of sprays and jets. High-pressure water blasts away any leftover soil. Some factories even use gentle brushes to scrub the tomatoes clean. After washing, the tomatoes move along conveyors. They are inspected one more time for any missed dirt or damaged spots. Cleanliness is important because clean tomatoes make better, safer sauce. This careful washing process prepares the tomatoes for the next important step, sorting and selecting the very best ones for sauce making. After cleaning, the tomatoes must be sorted. Factories use smart machines with cameras and sensors. These machines check each tomato for color, size, and ripeness. Any green or damaged tomatoes are pushed aside. The best tomatoes move forward on conveyor belts. Some factories also have workers standing by, checking the tomatoes one last time. They remove any tomatoes that don't look perfect. This double checking helps make sure only the highest quality tomatoes go into the sauce. Bad tomatoes can make the sauce taste sour or strange, so careful sorting is key. With the best tomatoes chosen, the next step is to turn them into smooth puree using different cooking methods. The first step in making sauce is turning tomatoes into puree. Factories use different ways to cook the tomatoes. Some use steam cookers, which heat the tomatoes quickly with hot steam. Others use standard cookers or vacuum cookers, which cook the tomatoes at lower temperatures. Each method has its purpose. Steam cooking keeps the color bright and the flavor fresh. Vacuum cooking is gentle and helps keep more vitamins in the puree. Standard cooking is simple and works well for large batches. After cooking, the tomatoes are soft and easy to work with. Cooking also helps kill germs, making the sauce safer to eat. Now, the tomatoes are ready to be peeled, checked, and turned into smooth puree. After cooking, the tomatoes are peeled. Machines do most of the work. They use steam or hot water to loosen the skins. Then, the skins are removed and the tomatoes are checked by workers. This makes sure there are no bad pieces left. Next, the peeled tomatoes are crushed and pushed through fine sieves. This removes seeds and any last bits of skin. The result is a smooth, thick puree. This puree is the base of tomato sauce. Now it's time to turn puree into sauce. Factories add salt, sugar, herbs, and sometimes onions or garlic. Big mixers keep the sauce moving as it cooks. This stops the sauce from sticking and burning. The sauce is cooked until it is thick and tasty. Workers taste and smell the sauce to make sure it is perfect. Every batch must be just right before it gets packed. The final step is packing the sauce. Hot tomato sauce is poured into cans, bottles, or jars. Machines fill each container quickly and carefully. Then the lids are sealed tight. This keeps air out and helps the sauce stay fresh. Next, the sealed containers go through pasteurization. This means they are heated to kill any germs. After heating, they are cooled down fast. Labels are added to show what's inside and where it was made. Now the tomato sauce is ready for the world. Trucks take the sauce to stores everywhere. Each can or jar started as a tiny seed on a farm and traveled a long way to your kitchen. Tomato sauce is made with science, care, and a little bit of magic. The next time you open a jar, you'll know how much work and technology went into every spoonful.